Ever changed one piece of code and watched 5 other modules break? That's the pain of tight coupling, and loose coupling is your way out. Loose coupling means minimizing dependencies between components. When components are loosely coupled, changes in one don't force changes in others. Think of it like building with Lego blocks instead of welding parts together. Each component knows just enough about others to interact, but nothing about their internal workings. This independence is the foundation of flexible software architecture. The first major benefit is maintainability. With loose coupling, you can modify, debug, or completely replace individual components without touching the rest of your system. A bug in the payment module? Fix it there without worrying about breaking authentication or logging. Loose coupling also supercharges testability and reusability. You can test components in isolation using mocks or stubs, making unit tests faster and more reliable. And because components aren't hardwired to specific implementations, you can drop them into different contexts. That email service you built for one app? Reuse it in another without modifications. Here's a concrete example: dependency injection. Instead of a class creating its own dependencies, you inject them from outside. This means the class depends on an interface, not a concrete implementation. Swap out a database, switch a payment gateway, replace a logger. The class doesn't care, because it only knows the contract, not the details. Loose coupling keeps your components independent, making your system easier to maintain, test, and evolve. Master this principle, and you'll build software that stands the test of time. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.